Okay. Okay, the recording has started. Okay. Thanks. Yeah, go ahead,
So,
Navina.
yeah, so here see, you can say right here message obtained CR post license successfully. Highlighted one.
Okay, yeah, my screen is loading a bit slowly, but yeah, now I can see it. But for
Yeah,
me,
here.
it's not visible. Maybe something else needs to be done. It's just for me, it says failed to obtain C host license.
Yeah, see here actually for me first time it is failed. So you will get some error pop up, right? So it might be
Oh,
minus 39 or minus 4.
oh
Can
okay.
you,
Okay.
what is that number you have? You got it.
I actually closed it before I could see it.
Actually, there are some error numbers it is. So if it is minus 39, it means that there is some network issue.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Maybe in your machine or maybe in active side, then it will be give minus 39.
Got it. Got it.
If it is minus 4, it means that so they will give only the limited license access. So if it is exist, it will show number of users has increased.
Oh, okay.
So that is minus 4. Okay, and there are some minus 96 and also minus 16. So these two are for, I mean, might be you don't have access, license access you don't have it, or maybe some other issues not related to tool.
Okay.
It's because of your system hanging or something like that. So it will give minus 96 or minus 16. Definitely your individual ID has to be added in the log files. Then only it will be getting the license. I think entire team has because Girish has got the license. You will get it. You just try once again. Maybe you will get it.
Okay. Thanks.
So everyone is clear with these error messages. So if you found anything, you just recognize that maybe it is network issue or number of users reached. Only these two will get frequently. Okay. And so first what you have to do is you can just open this C++ environment. So it will give, first of all, these are the options we have to select. So choose compiler. So generally here we are actually using GCC compiler. This is the default compiler in the vector cache tool. And if your compiler is something different, like if it is tasking compiler or GHC compiler, or it is IRR, there are some compilers already they have configured. So to configure each and every compiler, there is some process. Okay. So, but in this default, I think there is no need of taking other hardware or some other tools needs to be installed. So if I want to take IAR, then definitely I have to install IAR setup tool in my PC. Then only we can able to do it. But whatever the default it is already available in our PC. That is the reason no need to again install the another setup file. Okay. So if your files are only C files, then you can just select the minzip of C. Or if your files are included both C and C++, you just include C++. Okay. Is it clear for you guys? Hello.
Yeah, I think it's fine.
Yeah.
Yeah. See, so here you can see these languages. So whatever you select, it will highlight here. So C and C++ and mixed C++. These are the commands for GCC compiler. Automatically, when you select the compiler, so these are the commands it will fetch it. So, for example, if I take some other, let me take green hits. So, for this, if you want to fetch the compiler commands or whatever it is, then we have to take the another setup file. Okay. Otherwise, it will be give some error pop up here. So it is loading, right? So some other compiler, if you want, then definitely you need to take the another setup. file. Otherwise, it won't take the command.
Navina, your voice is breaking. Navina. Hello, Navina.
It will give some error pop-up.
Navina, we lost middle of the things. Hello, Navina.
I think we lost her. She's not online, I think.
Am I?
Your voice is breaking, Navina. Saujanya, meantime, are you comfortable running unit test?
Yes, Fazana, but I don't have license right now.
And next week she's on TLO, right? You can't use that?
No, separate license should be there for me.
Okay.
Yeah, just since she's not on the call right now, so the error that I was getting was -16287, which probably she did not discuss.
Yeah.
Girish, you are not getting any such error, or I mean, you're getting that license obtained?
Yeah, I'm getting the license.
Okay, maybe we'll discuss it later, like how if I followed some process incorrectly. Actually, there was no process to say so, but I think I just installed it and I just added the environment variable. Maybe, I don't know, I did something incorrectly.
We'll check that later.
Yeah.
Saujanya, were you running unit test for that?
Yeah, I'm running only for my requirement, not for the entire files. I'm not running. Only for my particular requirements, I'm running the unit test.
So for that you don't want license?
Actually, we have one test PC. Like anybody wants to test anything, we will be testing on that.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you can use that PC to run even the whole whatever Navina is doing?
Yeah, we can run it, but now due to the some lockdown period, we were unable to go to the office. Actually, that is it's not, it's an open network, so we can't fetch it from our laptops.
Oh, okay.
That's the problem. Siddharth, is the error is minus 5414?
No, it's -16287.
Okay. Minus 5414. Due to because of license, that is.
It says flex IM error cannot read data from license server system. The license server systems appear to be running but is not responding.
Yeah, but that means you don't have, because all licenses people are using, there is no more license, I think.
Oh, because for no more licenses, I think she was giving some other negative number. I don't remember exactly.
Okay. That is, I think India, 10 licenses are there for India people, but I don't know for you people.
Okay.
Yeah.
Tulsi joins in like, Sid, I have a question for you for this SDD updates. Did we do the updates for the SATA 2.1?
SATA 2.1 change.
Because I see one story for that is there in the backlog. So then we would have
Okay.
missed it, right?
I don't remember for Zana,
Okay.
frankly. That was like, what, in sprint 2 or 3 maybe? So I don't exactly remember.
So till she joins, can we just go finish up at least till that time the daily stand up?
Yeah. Farzan, I have a question. Sid, I had few issues with plastic and everything. So, do you know? I mean, and obviously it must be working. But do you know what BST configuration you
Oh yeah,
select?
yeah. Just deselect rear targets for CAD and blow. There is already an email chain going for that. The AutoSAR team needs to fix it. I can fix it, but since we don't want to do LSL fixes, so we are not doing anything in that regard.
Okay.
Mm.
Got it.
Okay, Navina's back. Okay. Oh, she's leaving again.
Hello.
Yeah.
Am I audible now?
Yeah.
Yeah. Sorry, it's some network issue. Okay. Sharing my screen.
Yeah, we can see it.
So you were able to see vector cast, right, or some other?
No, we're not seeing vector
Hello.
cast.
What about you? Are you able to see?
Yes.
Yeah. So there are some predefined command variables we need to add. So those are the variables we have to add here. And for that adding, we have to click on this plus symbol. Okay, so these are the commands I have given already in the document. So you just copy paste here. I mean, you just add those commands here. And if you want to delete, you can just click on this cross mark, so that those variables will be lost. Okay. So this is the compiler setting.
What is the settings repository folder?
Sorry.
What is the folder that you have given? Is that like a new folder that we need to create? The third line, settings repository.
Setting repository.
It's the third line, like you pointed to the folder. Is it, do you need to create an empty folder or is it something with settings?
No, this is just, I mean, when we are actually exporting the Polarian, so that repository we need to give. So this is not I mean, this is not taking any also steps or anything.
Is it required or not?
Here, not required. So when we, I mean that SCTS document export is there, right?
Okay.
So that time actually it is required. So if you check here, there is a DB, right? Requirements.db. So whatever the folder I have given, it will just create this one. So whenever next we want to map the requirements, then that automatically it will load. So because of that only I have given that path. That is not mandatory.
Okay.
So next we have to give the environment name. So that will be based on our thing that are what are the component we are testing. So,
I mean, are you
these
sharing something? We're not seeing anything. Are you sharing?
if you can you check are you getting license? So maybe because of sharing, my it is actually stuck in here.
Let me check. Yeah, I did get a license.
Can you share that?
You can give the control to you. Can you request it?
I have sent this also files in the Skype. Please accept it. Okay, I'll explain you just to open that video.
Should I stop sharing?
No. I'll tell. I mean, I'll ask you to click on that. So you just do that action.
I need
Then
to
you
add
run
all
it.
this, right?
You can't give
Yeah, that is
control
fine.
to Navina?
I don't know I think if she requests, that will be easier. I don't see her name here.
We are in other, like we are in L&T, right? We can't request and you can't give the request for us.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So Girish, actually that command. Hello.
Yeah, go ahead.
So those comments, whatever we have to give is like maybe in the code if you found those things, so it will give actually error pop-up like this is not defined. So in that case, that will reduce that problem.
Okay.
So if you, yeah, here it is. At a time we cannot add this one by one, you can able to add. It's okay, no problem for now. It's
Okay.
but you understood, right? Like what is the use of this?
These are. I didn't read properly. What is this for?
Hello.
Yeah, we can hear you.
What
Go
are
ahead.
these? What are these variables for?
So those are for like some of the maybe it is hard coded variables, some of the as so those kind of things maybe it is not available in our code. GCC compiler it won't accept those kind of variables. In that case, we have to define those. Maybe if they found that it is not available, then it will be it will take from here. Assembler symbols will be there, right? So in that case, it will take from in this three.
Do we have to have a space after the equal and all that, or is it okay?
No, not required. Okay.
License so you can continue, or I'll keep adding here.
I'm not getting the essential. So that compiler, Girish, this vector test means GW compiler is there, right? So the starting. First select the C and then again select the C++. So whatever the command you have deleted, it will add. You just select the C, GW C, yeah,
Okay.
and then again select the C++. So there is one command for C++ also. It will add, yeah, it will add. So these are the predefined command definitions.
Okay.
Okay. So maybe if the variable which is not available in your code and still it is showing that something is problem, then you can add here that variable.
Okay.
Which is not relevant. So you can add one by one by adding plus symbol. So this is the process for compiler choosing. So next, can you click on the name the environment? Second option, left side. Yeah. So here we have to give the name. You just give the WLUT. So why we require this name is like this all the environment, these all workspaces will be saved in the wherever we have installed the vector cache tool. So future if you want to open directly the environment, you can directly open. So if you know the name, that you can open from the recent environments. So that is the reason we have to keep some name which you will be remember. Okay. And click on the next in the down. So here actually testing types here. So one is traditional unit testing, object file testing, and these are the things. So traditional is nothing but everything is available. See, I mean we are actually doing after taking the code. So it is normal testing only. Okay. So sometimes if you don't have any library files, still you want to test, then you can just click on the library interface testing. So what it will do is, it will include the stub, library functions as a stub functions. Okay. So, these three testings I will explain you later. But now we are using this traditional unit testing symbol. Just to select this traditional unit testing. Click on the next. So here coverage type. Yeah. So here actually coverage is nothing but in our code. So we have a statements and also branch, and we have some MCDC. MCDC is nothing but so multiple conditions and decision condition. So now we are actually taking statement plus branch. We are not doing the MCDC thing. So we have some security, safety levels, right? Like ACLA, ACLB, ACLC, and D. So in the severity only we will use MCDC testing. So for others, statement and branch coverage is fine. Select this statement and branch. You are clear, right? When we have to select the statement and when we have to select the branch and when we have to select the MCDC.
But how will, like, when is that MCDC used then? When the severity is high? Or
actually, MC, it is for high level, like ACL, I mean we have right ACL A, B, C and D. Okay. So if it is ACL D, I mean highest to them, then we have to select the MCDC.
Is it something we decide or?
So no, actually we can also do it. I mean MCDC is nothing but all the scenarios. For example, if we have a binary data like a 4-bit data, so MCDC is nothing but all the combinations we have to cover. So 0 to 16 combinations are there, right? 4-bit is nothing but the 16. So all the combinations like all zeros 1 and 0001. So these all the scenarios. So we have to take it. Then only MCDC says that it is 100%.
Okay.
Okay. Generally statement and branch is like, for example, for condition checking, like true and false, we can do it. Some different scenarios, but we won't give all the combinations without losing anything. So that is the reason statement and branch we will choose it. And can you click on the white box? So we are not actually testing as block box. So it is a white box testing. So we are actually checking that white box. And click on the next. Not there in the down. That is not required.
Okay.
Okay. So here this is for we have to select our source files. So whatever the all source files I have sent you, I'll just take that. Here actually I would like to tell you one process. So generally we are taking all source files is like maybe like we want to test only one single .c file, but that .c file having the dependency of some other files, right? All the include.h files and some other functionalities. Okay.
Yeah.
So I mean what we have to do is we are actually doing for one particular. So if there is no dependency, then it will give the errors, right? So previously what we are doing is we are actually stubbing the dependency functions or dependency declarations. So now we have a automatic workspace creation script is available. So with that script, if you run that script, automatically it will link all the header files which are available in these all source files. And it will also take all the functions. So it won't give any errors.
Can
it will reduce the time.
All source inside the vector cache folder where I'm running it? Wherever that environment is created?
You can outside. You can keep outside also, there is no problem. Wherever you keep, you have to give the path, that's it. You can keep outside like that.
Okay.
It is not mandatory that we have to keep in vector cache folder only. So it is there in downloads, right? You can, unzip it and then you just take extract files. So I'll send you this automatic workspace also, maybe after this section. So I mean, without actually creating stubs and without taking that much time, we can create the workspace. So previously it will take so much time to create workspace only. So to collect all the dependency declarations and also functions. So it nearly take more than 3 or 4 days or 1 week also it will take based on the files. So because of this automatic workspace, it won't take that much time. Okay. So click on the next. So this is the path. One second. So here actually 3 symbols are there, right?
Yeah.
There is multiple adding symbol and the plus symbol, and so if you click on this, you can directly give the path.
Okay.
And the plus symbol is one file, you can add it also. And if you want to delete, you can delete it.
But I think I added it using this. Is that fine?
Yeah, you can add it. Actually, if you click here and it will ask for choose. So you can just paste here wherever the path you want, and you can actually choose it. So that is your wish. Like whenever you want to, and click on the next. So here actually all files are there because I have included all source files, right? So whatever the .c files includes in our project, every files are here. So now you just select which file you want to test it. So we'll take any one of the file, either tracker or fios.c. You can take any one.
Okay.
Or VSA, you can one double. You can double click or you can just take this symbol. So anything is fine.
Yeah.
If you double click on the file, it will automatically come to this window. Or if you click on this forward symbol, then it will come. And then here there is option like a type, right? SBF, and also there is one more thing, UUIT. Okay. SBF is nothing but stub by function. So can you click this rotation symbol here in the type here? So whatever the file you have selected, yeah, just click it. Yeah. Now it is going to UUIT. You got my point? So we have to select unit under test, UUT. Click it. Yeah. So I will tell you the difference is like stub by function and also unit under test. So here we have all the dependencies, so no need to take the stub functions. Okay. So that is the reason we are choosing UUT. It will reduce all the dependencies. If it is stub by function, then we have to stub the functions and all the things. If there is no files in the all source files. Okay. Click on the next. So it will show like whatever the files are, we have selected. This is just optional. And if you want to add some runtime code also, we can add in this user code. But that is not required now. So okay. Can you click on the next? Future if you want, you can add actually code. Then click on the build. There is option build right in the place. So build is nothing but it will just to compare whether all the dependencies are available or not, or is there any compiler errors or not. So like however we are doing in this compiler warnings, right? Okay. And the BST2, so same kind of thing it will test it. If there are no like declarations or some other file declaration, then it will give the errors here. Okay. So the file whatever I have given is already compiled one, so you won't get any errors here. So is everyone clear till here? It will take some time. If you have any queries, you just ask me now.
Navin, if the team have any questions, if they send you an email, will you be able to respond?
Yeah, I'll respond. Even they can contact me in Skype also. Not sure.
No, because next week you will be on tier low, right?
Yeah, but my Skype is there in my mobile. If I see, I mean, mail and Skype is okay for me. I'll respond.
But is that here they say we shouldn't respond to emails, so I'm just asking what was the input given to your guys?
Okay. I think Skype is, I think it won't get any problem. Maybe they can contact me through Skype.
And team, please
Each and every,
go ahead.
yeah, each and every step is available in that document.
Okay.
So if not, you can actually ask me through Skype. So see here, this is the file we have taken, right? So all the functions which are available there, so it will be here. So these are the functions. Okay.
Okay.
And now how to create the test case and how to give the inputs and how to save the control flow and how to store the results, that I'm going to tell you. Can you select one function and right click? Just right click on it. So here actually there is options, right? Insert test case and insert min, mid and max, basic path and these things. So I mean, if you want to add the test case, you just click on the insert test case. Okay. So this is the test case. Can you open this global, expand this global? Okay. So if you create one test case, so it will create the test case and it has all the global variables in your file, not to the function. Okay. So whatever the variables it is available in .c file, every variables are here. Okay. So come to that function, Girish, and right click on it.
Which one? Here?
Function, selected function, not the test case. So right click. So here there is option, right? View coverage.
View
Coverage. Last.
Okay.
Yeah, this one. Yeah. So click on that. So this is the function. You can just verify like whether, I mean, because of the test case, whether our functionality is covered or not, or is there any, conditions I have missed or not. Okay, so this is the one. If you just execute this one, the first test case, whatever you have created, just right click and click on the execute. You can just right click, or there is a symbol right in here in the toolbar. So there is the last one here, the toolbar. So yeah, this one. If you click here also, it will execute it. This is for execute the test case. Okay. So here there are no conditions. That is the reason the control will go for all the statements.
Okay.
Okay. So it is actually showing that coverage is completed, but we don't know like how it is responding. For example, if I assign my input to some other than value whatever we are expecting, how can you know? So for that only we have to provide the inputs and also we have to expect the variable.
Okay.
So can you open the test case here? Come to the test case.
Now this, can we change it? This is, I think, simply assignments. If you have anything.
Yeah, you can change it. You can take 50 milliseconds only. I think that will be better, right? It has all the scenarios. Yeah, just execute that. Yeah, come down. So whatever the default things, control will execute it. And for others, we have to provide based on our requirement. So we have to provide the inputs and based on that, we have to check these conditions. Okay. So you just take the simple if condition here, the second one, 0 equals to number of radars, right?
Okay.
Okay. So here actually you have not given any data to this variable. In that condition above only there is one, right? It is updating with RTIO hardware model.
Okay.
So what you have to do is just take that variable, select that variable. Wherever it is updating, you just select it. It is a local variable, so we cannot give the inputs to local variables. It will be definitely update maybe because of some read port or because of some other variable. So that we have to check it once. So just take that, which variable it is updating, you just take that global variable.
This is number of radars, right?
Yeah, number of radars, and it is updating with this RT variable, right?
Mm-hmm. Or you want...
So you have to take the RT.
How do I select that?
Variable. Yeah, just come to this starting point, RT starting point. Control just you can copy it and right click on the test case, or otherwise already you have opened the test case, right? In the above you can see all the windows, test case, coverage, job monitor. Yeah, you can open here.
Okay.
No, not this one. You have taken the wrong. Can you click on the right click on the test case first? Open test case. So you just click on the control here. Just search for that where exactly that variable it is. Here in the here.
Yeah, it's here.
Navina, can you see? Navina, are you there? I think we lost her.
Hello.
Yeah, Navina.
Hello, Girish.
Yeah, I can hear.
Yeah, you just search with that variable. Remove that comma in wherever you have populated. Yeah. So here actually, how you have to give the values is, so that if condition is, there are some different conditions, right? It is actually comparing with both true and false. And if you want to give some other values also, you can able to give here. So you just give some value to this particular variable wherever you have searched it in the input values column. So we can also give comma operation, like if you want to give if you want to check 3 scenarios in one test case, you can just differentiate with comma. So 0 comma 1 comma some 5 comma, like that you can be able to take it.
Yeah.
So now you just give some value like 1 or 0. So based on that, it has to respond in the code.
Yeah, it's done.
It's executed, right?
No, and saying it failed.
Sorry?
It says failed.
Hello?
It says it's failed. I don't know.
I'm not. Yeah,
Are
you
you?
just, just to open the test case, and if you check that execution results in the third section, we can able to see like why it is failing.
Where is that?
Yeah, he is in the execution report,
In
right?
the test case, yeah, execution report in the test case only you can see third option in the down.
Yeah,
So execution.
I'm in the execution report.
So there it will show like,
Okay.
so it will show right like why it is failing. Maybe because of you have given the wrong expected values, or you maybe missed some conditions, or you maybe missed something. Then it will show there. So why it is failing, it will give me.
Okay. Actual value is 2, expected value is 1. But I think I gave 1,2 as well, right?
Sorry.
I gave
Your
1,
voice is breaking, Girish.
no. I
Okay.
gave 1,
You given one in input values or expected values you given?
both. I gave 1,2 for both. Where is that? How do you
Okay.
test?
I think, yeah, 1 second. So in the down there is a options, right? Like a notes, requirement on the options.
Yeah.
In the test case, yeah, just click on the options. So if you click on the options, it will, and the down it will give like test case, each test case or event.
Which one should I select?
Have you selected second red button?
Yes.
Yeah, now you can execute it. So if you are not selecting that, it will take only one. So every comma operation will consider as a test case. So the 0 will be taken as a first event, and the 1 will be taken as a second event. Like that it will consider. That is the option we have selected there.
Yeah, I think it's, yeah, there is no error now.
Yeah. So you understood like how to check that and all the things.
Yeah. Okay.
Can you go to the coverage now?
Coverage. Where is coverage? Okay.
Next to the test cases.
Yeah, if you check the coverage, then whatever the case you want to test it, so that has to be covered. It will be in the green color. So if you have given proper inputs and proper expected values to make that condition possible, then it will be definitely the test case will be in green color, and also the code will be in green color. It will say like a true false, both the TF it will show in the left section. It will for all the scenarios.
So I think I should change this to
So both
0.
valid and invalid. So we tested for 1, right? If you want to fail, then definitely you have to give some other value. Yeah. So like that, like based on this, it will be like a requirement of only. So requirement says that if the value is greater than 0, then it has to be passed. So to make that condition greater than 0, proper values you have to give it to the A value. So that is based on even mid values.
Okay. Yeah, I think now it passed.
You can also give some. You got my point, right? Like whatever the value you want to test and whatever the variable you want to check whether that behavior is proper or not, you can give multiple values or you can give multiple situations and you can test that variable.
Okay.
You can validate that by expecting the values. Okay. So,
And now on the
so
top
this is the
we
process
see.
for getting it.
Okay, go ahead.
Sorry.
On the
Yeah,
top,
you
there is
can
some
ask me.
statements 52% and branches 34%, it says, right? So, on the top, you see the
It's
percentage,
not
right?
clear for me.
On the top, there is some numbers, right? Percentages. 52% and 34%.
Numbers.
Girish, are you seeing That the
You mean
statements 52% and branches 34%.
where I'm hovering my mouse?
Yeah. Should we have that to 100%, something like we should aim for that, or what is that values?
I'm not getting your movement. Okay.
Are you able to see my screen?
No, it is stopped.
Let me reshare again. Can you see now? Hello?
Yeah, I can see your screen. Are you sharing the vector cast?
Yeah.
Okay. Now I can see.
Hello, Navina?
Sure, she's offline here.
Okay.
So, Jania, since you have also worked on the vector cast, what does that numbers mean?
Yeah, we need to gain for 100%. For each and everything, we need to give the input, then only we can get the 100%. 100% statement and branches. Statement is nothing but in a C file, what and all the lines are there, these are the statements. Branches is like if condition, for loop, switch case, all it comes as a branches.
So this is for this function, 50 millisecond function, only we have this much percentage branching, testing and statement coverage?
Yes, but you can see the whole file also. Only for this function it is showing, but you can see for the whole file also. Yeah. Okay. I think she is available. I will add her.
So Saujanya, we just need to add more of these inputs and get the 100% coverage.
Yes, Girish. You need to give all the inputs. Then only you will get you will achieve 100%. Statements in the sense in a C file all the lines. Branches is like if loop for loop like that. If you want to take the entire test report, if you want to take the entire test report, what you have given the inputs and what is the output, entire thing, there is a option called test, right?
Where
In
is
the
that?
menu bar, in the menu bar test.
Okay.
Yeah, from here go to the scripting. You can export here.
Okay, export.
Yeah, you can export.
No, but what?
This is for whatever you have done for the whatever you have given the inputs and you have achieved the 100% criteria, then you can generate the HTML report by clicking this option.
Okay.
Yeah.
This
Actually,
test?
she is unable to take because she's having network issues.
Okay.
Okay.
But this is only saving the test case, right? But where is the report?
There is an option called full also will come. Can you? This is only for the TST report. Can you go to the test? Go to the view, full report. Yeah, here if you click on that, in the report, full report, if you right click on that.
No, where do you right click?
Click on the full report.
Yeah, I think her
At the
screen
top,
didn't
at
get
the
up.
top.
The right click is only close.
Okay.
No, this is the report, right? What he's showing
Yeah,
now?
this is a report, full report. You can save it here.
No,
You
but
can save it.
HTML format.
This report only will give the HTML report actually. HTML format this will give.
Yeah, but where is it stored? Like, how do we find the HTML file?
You need to save it here by clicking. Click on that.
On which one? Here?
Click on the file. Yeah. No. Yeah.
No, but how do you save this?
Sorry.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, sorry. I think from here only we can save it. But I'm seeing somewhat different. Yeah. You can ask her through mail if you have any doubts for the full report. For the test cases, whatever I have said, that is the process.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think for since they have done the unit test once, we can take the test case so that it will have all the inputs, right? What that was already tested. So
Yeah.
we'll be able to add only for the delta inputs, right?
No,
Yeah.
but I just want to see how we can save this so we
This
can
report,
complete
yeah.
it.
Girish, you can just give Control S.
On the...
Yes. Usually how we save a file.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Okay, thanks, Nona. Thanks, Naina.
It should be inside this, right?
No, you can
WL
set it.
underscore UT, right?
Yeah, vector cast. Okay, environments.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I think this is the one we get. We have the summary. Okay, I think it's easy.
And we can take the test case from the repo that they've already used it. So the inputs will be already there for most of the variables, right?
We just need to go.
You get instead of HTML report you need to add the TST reports. Like whatever you have exported right from the test. There you need to import the TST files, like what and all previously they have done. You need to import the TST files.
Yeah, but she has already uploaded something. Do you have a plastic work area where I can go there and directly open it?
Sorry, I didn't get you.
You guys have already submitted some of the test cases, right?
Yeah, TST reports she has uploaded in the plastics.
Do you know the number where I can just go there and we'll just try one case where we'll import that?
Okay. I think she got that. I think in the tracker vectorcast unit testing wl.tst.
No, but do you have the chain set number? I'll not be in the same work area.
I think you can take it, right? Any of that.
Any latest sprint?
Yeah, any latest sprint also you can take it.
That's for low, correct, or is it?
Yeah, low.
Low.
You can check it in any of your workspace that she might have uploaded even in the third sprint or fourth
She
sprint,
might
right?
have checked it in some. Yeah, I don't know when she has done that. Let's see, it'll be quick, I guess.
See, I'm looking at the latest one, 1.09. In that she has some test cases. Yeah. For the tracker, I'm looking, she has it.
I need to move it here. Okay, let's do it.
For the fears, under fear, she has put it under the vectorcast unit testing. You can see a test case. See this, she has uploaded for 41857, so you might have it in your workspace, Girish.
I can keep checking individually, but
Okay, go to the software component, integration. She's put it under the fears directory only.
Yeah, in the app to software integration.
Yeah. Go to app to software, integration, software components.
yeah, I'm here.
Okay, I think the screen hasn't loaded. So under POs, you see a test case, right? Vector cast unit testing. Do you see a test case .tsc file?
Yeah, I think this is the one, right?
Yeah, .tst file.
Yeah.
Just double click it. Okay.
No, you need to import actually. You need to go to the vector cast.
Okay.
From that test, you need to import it. Here you need to use that path. Yeah, now you need to execute all the test cases.
Okay, there are so many test cases, right? How do you run everything?
Yeah, click on CTAP FIOS. There,
Where is it?
below initialization tests.
The
There is
50
one
millisecond.
folder, right? CTAP
3
FIOS.
minutes.
Step 50 millisecond.
Above there is a one folder, right? Naming CTAP FIOS.
Oh, the main one.
Yeah. Main one. Yeah.
The folder?
Yeah.
Yeah, folder.
No, but I don't understand. Where is it?
No. The folder
Inside
structure
50 milliseconds is
CTA.
there, right?
Yeah, about that. See, the init 50 millisecond are under CTAP FIOS. You're saying that one, right? This one?
This one?
Yeah, that one. If you right click on that, their execute is there, right?
Yeah.
Execute. It will execute all the test cases. What and all the script you have imported, it will execute all the.
But we cannot run it just for 50 millisecond. All the test cases under 50 millisecond.
No, you can open it. There are some other folders also. There are some other test cases are there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
All test cases are failed.
How is it failing? This was like a proper.
Can you go to the test once? Because the control flow has not yet saved, so that's why if it doesn't save properly also, you will get this type of problem.
Hello?
Yeah, hello.
This shouldn't be failing, right?
Yeah, because the control flow has not yet saved, because you have imported from other script to your file, right? First you need to, like after executing, if all are failed means you need to save that control flow first.
Okay.
You need to go to the test.
Where?
Test in the menu bar test. There is a control flow option. Save.
It's not highlighted.
It's not highlighted.
It's grayed out.
Then it's a problem, like because of one variable it is failing, I think. we need to, if sometimes it may happen, like because of one variable changes, all test cases will be failed. So we need to pass all the test cases again. Sometimes it may happen.
How do you do that?
Like again, we need to give the input, and again we need to do checking all the thing. That is the expected value rate.
Yeah, I'm just thinking what to. Okay, what could be wrong? Oh, we have to do like this for one by one.
Yeah, we need to see where it has failed, so we need to execute all the things. It takes so manual work. Yeah.
But here I don't think. Okay, I'll just put. We have to give values for each one of them now.
Actually, here you are getting UET underscore, right?
Yeah.
That means these all are the read ports. For the read ports, Naina? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Naina, for getting this error, they used to give as a, for each and every read port, they used to give the input, right?
Yeah, I don't think so, not really. Maybe the control flow might have.
But the control flow, yeah, but the control flow there, it is telling that it is not save. It has save option is not enabled.
Are you sure we have to choose
Oh, now it's
Yeah,
that?
here it is save. We need to save it.
no. If you change something, then it allows you to save it, right?
Yeah,
So
but the
should I create control flow or cancel? What
yeah,
is
you
it?
need to create the control flow.
Okay. Now run it again. Now should
Yeah,
I
you
run
need to write.
the entire thing?
Yeah, you need to execute.
No, it only cleared the ones that are fixed, I guess.
Okay.
Saying for each and every test case, you need to do like that, where it has control flow has missed, or any depending upon some variable, it has getting it has not getting passed. You need to check.
So this might be because this test case is a little older. It was run on an older change set. If you pick a test case that was run on the last sprint, we might not face this many errors, right?
No, you can get. It's not like that. You are taking the last change set, or if we do yesterday also, if anything new changes has done, if we import that also, we can face this issue.
Yeah, but at least the number of failures might be a little less.
That depends.
Okay. Okay. So you.
I think they are not giving any input value. I think what the Girish is giving, for getting that expected value, they are having some dependents are there for that to give the input values that you need to change. not that input value, whatever you are assigning, right?
Where do you get that?
That you need to check in the code, like what and all the variables are there depending on this.
That will be an RT read or write. So in this case, let's open this.
Yeah, okay.
No, this is just a timer, start timer. I think you get it from an RT read.
Yeah. Uh, Below you can see, right, she has given the some FLSR or one input values in the test cases.
Which one? This one?
Yeah, she has given something, right?
No, that is different. That is for share tracker info and all, but not for timer. So, like, should this be derived from something else, or can we just give value here?
We should not give the value like that, I think, as I know, because we need to see from where, for getting the timer, where we are taking that variable it is updating, we need to change there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, this is
I
right.
think Navina, she has joined now.
So this function is giving that.
Yeah. This is there in all update algorithm timing.c file, right?
Yeah. So
Yeah.
how do we?
Like here only algorithm function, update algorithm timer function is there, right? There we need to give the inputs for this.
So, Girish, actually we have to think in a control flow, I mean how the control will be call the functions.
Yeah.
So, though you give the inputs to the variable, maybe that it will be update because of some other function call. So, it will be overwritten with whatever it is updating.
So where do you give the input then? Is it inside this function? I mean, is update?
Yes.
So you put here, right?
Algorithm timer. So that, yes. So by giving the input there, and so we came to know like how it is responding through that function.
Oh, okay. So this value should be appearing in that variable.
Correct.
No, I think it's failed. Yeah, it still failed. Oh, this is pointer. Okay. Right. Do you have to give all of this, like, or is it?
Instead of that, where it is failing, you can check in the execution report, right? If you click on the execution report,
Where is execution report?
below, third column. For which variable it has failed, you can check here.
Start time millisecond float. Okay. Okay. This start time, but we don't have that, right? Mhm. Do you know where to add?
Can you once open the execution report?
Girish,
Yeah.
so you are actually checking this update algorithm timer, right?
Yeah.
So start timer is like mode, whether it is start timer or stop timer. So if you open the coverage of update algorithm timer function, so it will show there like how it is executing that function. Just click
Ready?
on the update algorithm timer function and right click. Just check the view coverage.
Here. Where do you get that? Where are you telling me?
So updated algorithm timer function is there, right, in the right project window.
Update. Do you see that?
Algorithm timer function. No, actually, I'm unable to see your screen. But if you want to check how the function is responding, you can directly go to that function and we can check the coverage there.
Okay, I don't see it here. It's already 10. Do we want to continue or do we set up one more meeting some other day?
No, because she's not available the whole next week. So what we can do, like if the team faces some issues for their delta changes, unit testing,
I'm not sure if people
will be able to do it, right?
Yeah.
Even Nayana can't help us, Navina. Does she have any license?
No, Pachana. She doesn't have it.
We'll finish this off, like maybe quickly.
Okay.
I don't find that function. Navina, where is that algorithm? Saujanya, can you see the screen and tell where it is?
I think we have only imported the POs.txt files.
Okay, ps.c file only we have selected, right?
Yeah, but we did not select all the wrapper files in the unit testing while selecting before itself, so it will show here. While the environment is setting, that time you need to select the wrapper files also. Then only it will show here, otherwise it won't show.
But the all source has all those wrapper files again.
All the wrapper files are there, but you need to
have all the files.
Yeah, continue.
You remember, right? Like we have selected only pos.c file, and we mentioned that this is the file for unit under test.
Yeah.
So it means that function or that file only will be able to show in the environment. So if you want again others also, we can what we can do is we just update the environment. So if you check in the toolbar, there is an environment, right? Yes. Third option. So if you click on that, it will show like update environment.
Last option.
Again, we can add the other files also.
Okay. Save. No.
Yeah. You can put it as S.
Yeah.
Next.
This one, same name?
Yeah, same name. Next. Statement. Yeah. Next. Here you need to drag and drop the wrapper files.
You have to go and select all of those that's needed?
Yeah. Yeah, algorithm timing.c is there in the A. Yeah. And core calibrations.c file. And one more excel.c, excel input, SATA BB. I think now if we should. I think now we have added
To
algorithm
select
timing,
more
right?
files.
This is enough. There is, I think, POS interface, I think UT Fusion interface.
Yeah, if we select more files, it will take so much time to build, Kirish. So
Okay.
only for one example, I have taken only .c file. So I mean, if you select only algorithm timing .c, you can see like how it is going there. So one
Okay.
file, it is fine.
Okay.
UUT, you need to press. Yeah, next. You can update.
We just added one more. It takes so much time, right?
Yeah.
Navina, hello. Navina,
Yes, sir.
did you share that automatic workspace script for them? Did you share automatic workspace scripts for them?
Sorry.
Automatic workspace script.
Yeah, that script I'll forward.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, I think it's done. So now to run on this entire file now.
That is having dependency algorithm timing also, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, you can run on the whole project. Above WL, you have
Where is it? Okay, here.
yeah, here you can run.
What's the difference between completed and pass? Because the green ones are showing as pass, the red are fail, and the black ones are completed. What does that mean?
The control flow might not save it for that, I think.
So I think there is failing in 2 of these. Where do we find that? Report. Yeah, check. Okay. The timer is again complaining.
Yeah.
Why is this? No?
Because you again need to import the .txt file. It has not taken the test cases for that what he has done previously. So you added it as a new, right? You again need to go and add the test reports .txt file.
Oh, for
Import?
that function?
That fios.txt file, whatever you have imported, import that one.
Okay.
Here I already tested.
Oh, should I import this?
Yeah, import it.
See, if he imports this, then whatever the changes we did will go.
No,
He added
it
few
will save
changes,
it.
right? See, okay.
Yeah, before closing that, it will give one pop-up like whether it has to save it or not. Now he did not do any changes to it. Their update algorithm timer, you got some test cases if you open that folder.
Okay.
Yeah. If you execute it once again, no, you execute
The
code.
overall, the WLUT?
Yeah.
The
No,
whole
no.
thing?
Yeah, you execute it once again.
Okay, now?
Yeah. I think you are saying that sixth test case is failing, right?
6 in this window or in the test cases window?
See, the first green
In the
one,
test
red
cases.
one is 06. On the
This one?
left side. Yeah,
Here?
yeah.
Okay.
Same that algorithm timer, right?
Yeah.
I think you need to check the input also for that. If it is late, Girish, can we have a separate call with you now instead of this group call?
No, but I think everyone wants to.
Yeah, because it will be helpful because we have to do it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, but I don't know because I didn't give the inputs, right? So I need to check it each and everything once again.
Okay, so what we can do, Girish, we'll cut this one, and when you have a call with her, record it also, okay?
Okay. Or we can do it after, when is Navina coming? After 1 week, no?
I
Yeah.
think next whole 5
Next
days
whole
she
week
will be
she's
there.
off. Yeah. Next week she's
But
off.
I
She'll be
don't think
coming on
we're going
15th.
to do it within a week, any one of us.
Okay, fine.
Can
So
you
that
set
we
follow up from here? I think by the time, I think others can install and get things running.
okay, but to see then we are not going to do it the unit test in the next week, correct?
No, I don't think. I'm sure no one will be able to do with this, with
Okay.
such short.
That is true. That is true,
Okay.
Girish. I don't think so.
Okay, so then till Friday we will not be able to merge any of her changes, correct?
No.
So then she has to do all the whatever unit test that is left out by Monday, or right, for her to
Yeah.
finish it and so that we can merge it.
We can keep everything ready.
Okay.
On the algo dev branch, so that she just have to test one change set, I think.
Yeah, that's better. That's
Okay.
better. She can take the last change set and she will run the test case.
All can take the same report.
But the
Correct.
problem is I asked her whether she can run for VSC, FIOS and Tracker. She said like 2 days is not enough for her to run for all three.
But
Okay, let's
VSC will
see.
be on a separate branch. Only Tracker and FIOS will be on the same branch. Kevin has a different branch for VSC.
No,
Yeah,
I think
but
what she
she
means
has to
is
run
that,
it, right?
yeah.
Oh, okay. I got it.
Till that I will try for the license. If I got, I will help her, because if I didn't get, I don't think so I can help her.
Okay. I can even send an email to Kiran so that if you can get it, it will help us. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. And just can we continue this for another 10 minutes to finish up the daily stand-up?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't mind.
Already missed a meeting.
Okay, you can stop. Can stop the recording, right?
Navneet.